A very good morning to all the students of class 9th. Students, in the last lecture, we had completed with the explanation of the lesson A Truly Beautiful Mind, where we learned about Albert Einstein, his journey, his discoveries, how he spent his days as a child, how was he in his studies, what greater impact his parents had on him, especially his father. Now here we will be discussing few question answers from the same lesson. These are the short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words, word limit, and the marks is 3 marks each. First question is, why did Einstein play by himself as a child? Why? As a child, Einstein found it difficult to interact with children of his age as he did not know what to do with them. He had started talking at the age of 2.5 and he repeated every word twice. His playmates called him Brother Boring. It's boring. Therefore, he played with himself most of the time. He loved playing with mechanical toys. So why did Einstein play by himself as a child? Because he found that it is very difficult for him to interact with children of his age, because he was confused what to do with them. He had started talking a little late. He repeated every word twice. His playmates called him Brother Boring. So since childhood he was a very different one. And he played with himself almost most of the times. And his deep interest was to play with mechanical toys where other children lacked. So these were the certain things why Einstein played by himself as a child. Question 2. Why did Einstein want to go to Switzerland to further his studies? See, Einstein was a very bright student and scored good marks in almost every subject. But one thing that he did not like about school was strict discipline. Students were not allowed to express themselves. They were, the curriculum and everything was very rigid. As a result, Einstein had clashes with his teachers. Therefore, he wanted to study in German-speaking Switzerland, a city that was more liberal than Munich. So, what attracted him the most was liberty, freedom. He did not like the strict discipline in his old school, therefore he wanted to go to Switzerland to further his studies. How did Einstein's private life unfold after he completed his studies? Now here in this question, what is being asked? Einstein's private life. That means his married life, his life with the parents, mother. See, Einstein met Mileva at the University of Zurich. He wanted to marry her, but his mother was against the idea. She did not like the alliance because Mileva was 3 years his senior and found her too intelligent to be a housewife. You must understand what is being asked in a particular question. Here, Einstein's private life is being asked, where he met his future wife Mileva. He wanted to marry, but his mother was totally against it because Mileva was equally intelligent like Einstein, and to be a housewife, Mileva was not the right kind of a girl for Einstein. This is what Einstein's mother thought. And they were married in 1903, had 2 sons, but their marriage faltered. They were finally divorced in 1919, and the same year he married his cousin Elsa. What is Einstein's special theory of relativity? special theory of relativity, what was the formula given? E is equals to mc square. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, time and distance are not absolute. These two are not absolute. He explained it through this formula, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. What extraordinary incident happened in the life of Einstein in 1921? Einstein was honored with the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for having published his general theory of relativity. This theory involved an accurate calculation in advance the extent to which the light from the stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. So, in Einstein's life this year, 921 played a major part because he was honored with the Nobel Prize for Physics in 921 because he had published which theory? General theory of relativity, which explained the calculation in advance the extent to which the light from the stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world, and his work was referred to as a scientific revolution by the media. So, he not only won Nobel Prize for Physics, but he also discovered the thing which is beyond the thought of anyone else in the world. That is why he became world famous. He was showered with honors and invitation, and it was referred to as a scientific revolution by the media. Next question, how did the world recognize Albert Einstein? As you know, in the beginning, his friends called him Brother Boring. He had clashes with his teachers. Initially, he was considered as a freak, a failure, but the same being was turned into one of the scientific revolutionaries the world has ever known. The Nobel laureate, who died in 1955 at the age of 76, was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen and accepted by the world as a scientific genius. By the example of Albert Einstein, we come across that we should not judge a book by its cover. We must read it, we must go through it, then take out some thoughts out of it. But before that, we should not make up our mind or assume something about anyone. Albert Einstein is a live example for all of you. In the beginning, he was considered as a failure, but you know that he was and he will be scientific genius, because the discoveries, the theories, the work that he had presented in the field of science was commendable and was beyond the thoughts of many. There can be many good scientists, but Albert Einstein cannot be reborn. Why did Einstein and his associates write to President Roosevelt? How did they respond? Einstein and his associates feared that the Nazis could build and use the atomic bomb for destructive purpose to gain power. These questions are a little bit longer than the previous ones, so make sure that you keep the word limit in mind. Same questions can come in 100 to 120 words. So the question being asked is, why did Einstein and his associate write to President Roosevelt? And how did Roosevelt respond? Einstein and his associates feared that the Nazis could build and use the atomic bomb for destructive purpose to gain superpower. So on 2nd August 1939, he wrote a letter to American President Franklin Roosevelt to warn him about the impact of such bombs. The letter took no heed of the warning. Instead, the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own. They dropped the bomb on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, causing large scale of destruction. See, Einstein associates what they fear. They fear that the Nazis could use the atomic bomb. First, they would build the atomic bomb and use the atomic bomb for destructive purpose to gain superpower. He wrote a letter to American President Franklin Roosevelt about the impact of bombing, but the letter took no heed of the warning. Nobody paid attention to it, and as Einstein thought, the same thing happened. Instead, the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project where nobody knew about it, and they dropped the bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, causing large scale of destruction, and the destruction could be seen even today. What were some of Einstein's scientific achievements? Einstein developed his idea on relativity, secretly assessing other people's inventories. The special theory of relativity was published when he was just aged 26 years. This theory gave a revolutionary concept of the relationship between time and distance. This followed the famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy, that is E is equals to mc square. It was the general theory of relativity that earned him the Nobel Prize in 1950. So, there you need to describe some of the Einstein's scientific achievements. At first, when he was searching ideas for his relativity theory, he was doing everything in secret. He would keep that in his own drawer, secret drawer. And when he finalized his theory, he published when he was just 26 years old. And the relativity theory was given the name of the special theory of relativity. And this theory was acknowledged by everyone because it gave a revolutionary concept between the relationship, time and energy. And other than this special theory relativity, he gave a famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy, that is E is equals to mc square. This was considered the general theory of relativity that earned him the Nobel Prize. These are the questions which you need to do, and all these are unsolved ones. These questions need to be answered in 40 to 50 words, okay? And these questions to be answered in 100 to 120 words. This is for 3 marks and this is for 5 marks each. Write a short paragraph on Einstein at school. How Einstein was during his school time, what was his relationship with his teachers, what was his conduct, okay. Second, briefly write about the character of Einstein as you perceive it. After reading the whole lesson, you must have perceived something about Albert Einstein. So you need to build up the character sketch of Einstein. How does he prove himself to be a man of humanitarian considerations? When you read this question, children, make sure that you focus on this. A man of humanitarian considerations. You must mention about his fear that the Nazis could build and use of atomic bomb for destructive purpose and what he actually did. He was deeply concerned for the humanity, so he wrote a letter to American President Franklin Roosevelt to warn him about the impact of such bombing. So you need to mention all these things in this particular question, right? Next question is, how do you judge the action of Roosevelt? After getting to know about the Americans developing the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropping the bomb on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki while not paying heed of the warning that Einstein had written in a letter. So, what do you judge about the action of the American President Franklin Roosevelt? You need to answer. Okay. This is very important question where if you would have been in Einstein's place and if it were you and there were certain things that the headmaster told you about your future that you won't be able to do anything in life, what would be your reaction to the headmaster's judgmental assessment of your future? How would you react? What would you say? Would you say something or would you not say? What would be your reply? Or if you prefer to be quiet and just show through your actions or anything? Long question answers. Imagine yourself as Albert Einstein. You need to make a diary entry after receiving the Nobel Prize. How are you feeling after receiving it? Next question is, write an article for your school magazine on the topic, don't judge a book by its cover. So you write this question from here till here only. Write an article for your school magazine on the topic, don't judge a book by its cover. Make sure the word limit is 100 to 120 words. Okay. Last. If Einstein had been a very sensitive and emotional person, what do you think would have happened to the world of science? This is a very thought-provoking question. You need to think about it, that if Einstein had been a very sensitive and emotional person, what would you think would have happened to the world of science? Would it have that impact that it is having with the discoveries of Einstein or not? So you need to answer this. So you need to answer all these questions in your copy. That is Register 1 from the lesson A Truly Beautiful Mind.